Louis and the Buzzwire Challenge.
Today, announced the camp leader, we are going to build our very own Buzzwire game. Luis looked at the supplies on his table. A sturdy cardboard box, a long piece of copper wire, a small battery pack, and a round black buzzer. He wondered how all these pieces could possibly make a game.
His teacher, Hugo, came over to help. An electrical circuit is like a big loop, Hugo explained, using his hands to draw a circle in the air. The electricity wants to travel from the battery through the wire and back again. If your wand touches the big wire, the loop closes and buzz! Luis got to work. He carefully poked holes in the side of his cardboard box to secure the thick copper wire. He had to be very steady. Connecting the red and black wires from the battery to the buzzer was like solving a tiny, colorful puzzle. Positive to positive, he whispered to himself. It was time for the first test. Louis picked up the metal wand and tried to move it across the long, wavy copper wire. Zap! Buzz! The sound was so loud it made Louis jump. The wand had touched the wire almost immediately. Oh no, Louis sighed, feeling a little bit discouraged. Hugo walked by and gave Louis a friendly pat on the shoulder. Don't worry, Louis. Engineering is all about trial and error. Every buzz is just a lesson on how to be more precise. Louis took a deep breath and nodded. He wasn't going to give up. He was going to practice his patience. Louis decided to make the wire path a little smoother. He carefully bent the copper into a series of hills and valleys. He moved the wand again, slowly and steadily. This time, he made it halfway across before the buzzer sounded. Progress, he cheered. He was learning the rhythm of the game. Once the circuit worked perfectly, it was time for the best part, decorating. Louis found a sheet of stickers and some drawings. He carefully pasted a dinosaur, a pink bear, and even some colorful emoji faces onto the back of his box. It was starting to look exactly like he imagined. With the stickers in place and the wires tucked neatly inside, Louis did one final run. His hand didn't shake once. He moved the wand from the start all the way to the finish line without a single buzz. He had done it. He had built a working machine with his own two hands. Louis held up his finished Buzzwire challenge for his friend Pax to see. Look, Pax, I built it myself, he said proudly. As he stood there in the camp hallway, Louis realized that the best part of the challenge wasn't just the game. It was knowing he could do hard things.